Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will see how to crochet cord with round segments with beads. All information about the tools could be found in the description of this video tutorial. For work I will use a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn and 1.4mm crochet hook. I like this topic. There are a lot of video tutorials with seed beads could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. Let's crochet the cord. I will begin from the first segment. Make a chain. Now I will join a bead. Pull up the working loop. Take a bead. Put it on the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. Make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. Insert the hook into the chain stitch with bead. Make a slip stitch. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. Work into the chain space. I will work with this thread or yarn. Make single crochet. Make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Work with the opposite side. Make 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Insert the hook into the first chain stitch that I did on the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. My round is ready. This is the back side of the work. There is no yarn on the back side. I remove it already. Let's make the trim for my first segment. Let's crochet this round. Make a chain. I'm making a round of reverse single crochet stitches. Reverse single crochet is single crochet made in a reverse direction. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make reverse single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. I'm done 12 reverse single crochet. Make the last one. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. Make reverse single crochet. Pull up the working loop, remove the hook, insert the hook into the top, insert the hook into the chain stitch. As you remember, I did chain stitch. Take the working loop, pull it through. My round is ready. I am done 13 reverse single crochet stitches in a round, and my segment is ready. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. Let's crochet the second segment. For this, make a chain and pull it. As I did before, make a chain. At this point, I will join a bead. Take a bead, put it on the hook. Take the working loop, pull it through. Make a chain with the bead. Make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. Pull it. Then make chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the chain stitch with bead. Here my chain stitch with bead. There is the yarn that I will work the next time. Make a slip stitch. I continue working on the second segment. Continue. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the chain space and insert the hook into the yarn. Here what I have. And work with 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook. 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the hook into the chain stitch that I did on the beginning of this round. Make a slip stitch. My round is ready. And my second segment is almost ready. I just need to do a round of reverse single crochet trim. There are no yarns on the back side of the work. I will start the third segment and you should continue working by yourself. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the previous stitch, make reverse single crochet. Like this, 1, 2, 3, and so on, till you will get the last stitch in this round. So keep working in this way as many segments as you need for your cord or bracelet. You can crochet one segment and use it like a brooch or earring or pendant. Once I have done the last segment, to secure the yarn by making a chain and pull it, you can leave a long piece of yarn and sew the stuff for the jewelry, or you can remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the cord using the sewing needle or crochet hook. In the case if you want to make the jewelry, you have to leave a long piece of yarn and find the clasps or another stuff and sew them together to create the completed work. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this cord. You can use this cord anywhere. It could be part of the bag. It could be like a jewelry, bracelet, necklace, belt or choker. This is one side. It is very beautiful and simple at the same time. If you don't like beads, you can look at the description of this video tutorial and find a lot of links on my video tutorials on my YouTube channel. If you find any new ideas for the cord, bracelet or choker, please write comment below this video and I will read it. My cute amazing cord consists of segments. Each segment has 2 rounds. One round is single crochet stitches and the second round is reverse single crochet trim. You can crochet one segment and you will get amazing earring or brooch or decoration for your home or kitchen or hair. In some cases you can use it like a belt for cardigan or dress. Here how it looks on my hand. It could be perfect like a bracelet. So please write comment below this video what you will get with my video tutorials. I always happy read all comments below this video or another videos. Don't be afraid to experiment with yarn, beads and crochet hooks and you will get amazing unique project. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!